Hello everyone, it's Mimi. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be completing part 11 of our Vintage Blooms scrapbook album. We're almost halfway. Next video we will be halfway through this album, so that's pretty exciting. And I feel like today we must mention that it's a very lucky day because it is 2/22/22, so that's exciting. It's just a good day all around. We're starting off with this super cute hot pink. I kind of think it looks like China. I don't know, like, you know, that blue China pattern. I don't know. Background. I think it's so cute. I love it. It's even better than the blue one because, I mean, who doesn't love pink? And then I decided to put a yellow photo mat on top just because I think it played nicely against it. I'm really enjoying making these scrapbooking videos. I used to post on YouTube maybe 3 or 4 years ago, but now I'm back onto it and I love it. It's such a fun creative outlet, and I really encourage anybody else who is thinking about either just scrapbooking or even sharing it on YouTube to do so. It's just so much fun, and it's really nice to be able to share what you create with other people. I'm adding this sort of little mat down into the corner for this other journaling card, and then as usual I forgot to not put the tape over where my photo was gonna go, so that's just me kind of peeling it down so it doesn't overlap. But journaling cards, as I always say, are one of the best ways to get your scrapbook layout kind of filled, even if you're just cutting out an embellishment from it or whatever. I just love them. Love journaling cards. Can't go wrong. I also think this is the perfect little embellishment for this page because it's both pink and purple, and then of course it's got some of the pastel blue in there, so it kind of just really brings everything together and it's just perfect. Does anybody else kind of match their photos to the scrapbook layout? Because when I can, I really try to pull colors from the photo onto the scrapbook layout, or kind of vice versa. I don't know, I just think it looks so much better that way, and if you can do it, it just kind of finishes it so perfectly. Tiny little embellishment that you have a lot of, like these pearls or like the rhinestones in the Under the Stars album, is a really great way to keep all of your layouts looking cohesive if you're doing a full complete album, because number one, you have a lot of them, you can use them on almost all of the pages, and number two, it's not a piece that's going to look repetitive because it doesn't really draw much attention, but it does just keep everything looking cohesive. That being said, this pretty much completes this layout. We're just going to go ahead and add the photo in there, and that's it. I hope this inspires you to create something on your own. That's the whole point of all these YouTube videos, to be able to share and inspire each other. And if you do end up creating something inspired by me, please share it on Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, any of those, and give me a tag. I'd love to see what you make. And if you're also interested in adding this scrapbook layout to your own album, you can do so at the link in the description. It's mimilymade.com, and it's a printable scrapbook layout, so it's easy to use at home. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!